Today we're looking at a 2015 certified Honda Civic LX. It's got 30,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax, one owner. It's alabaster silver, metallic in color. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. We'll start here on the driver's side. Everything looks good on this side. Make our way across the rear of the vehicle. It does have the rear backup camera. Way down the passenger side. Everything's in good shape on this certified Civic. It's a 2015 clean Carfax, one owner with 30,000 miles on it. Let's take a look on the inside. It's got the black on black door panels, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. It does have black cloth seating. Alright. Driver's seat looks good. It does have the keyless entry key fob. And then in your console area here, you do have the USB hookup. Passenger seat cloth looks good. Alright, it is an automatic. It's got your auxiliary and power outlet down there. Climate control area here. AM, FM, CD player there. It does have a display screen up here, and we'll show you that in a second. That'll have your backup camera there. It does have steering wheel audio controls and Bluetooth. And then it's got your Econ button right here. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Okay, it's got 30,349 miles on it. Let's go ahead and engage the backup camera. Alright. And you can notice that it does have the digital speedometer there. And when I pan out a little bit, you can see how everything's nice and lit up here on the dash of this Civic. Everything's laid out really nicely. AC's blowing cold, no problems with the AC. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Carpet back here looks good. Back seat cloth's in great shape. See no issues back here whatsoever. I'll go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Alright, let's go ahead and check out the trunk space. Carpet back here is clean. Plenty of room. Get your spare tire right there. Let's take a look at the wheels and tires. We've got 15-inch steel wheels. The plastic hubcaps on there. There's a little scuffing right there on the hubcap. Tires are in good shape. Plenty of tread left on them there. Alright, once again, it's a 2015 certified Honda Civic LX. 30,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax, one owner. This thing's in great shape. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.